everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. My name is Pratik Srivastava, and in our today's video, I am going to solve Accenture actual question asked on 5th of September 2023. This video will be definitely helpful if you are going to write the Accenture examination in near future. And I have covered here cognitive, Microsoft Office, cloud and networking questions. So please watch the video till the end. Question number 1. In the certain code language, curling is coded as DWUPNTN. Then how would netball will be coded as? Now, friends, so in examination coding and decoding, you will be getting a lot of question, and per question you will be getting almost 1 minute to solve. Now, if you are not using your mind over there, then it will be very, very difficult. Okay. Now, the first thing what you have to do is put the position of the alphabet. Like this is 3. This is nothing but U is under 21. R is 18. Lunch at 12 p.m. This already I have taught you November 14. And G is nothing but G7, right? So when you write G, so it will look like 7. Then this is 4. That means plus 1. Okay. And W is 23. That means plus 2. U under 21, that is plus 3. So the basically logic is plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, right? Okay. And so on. So N plus 1, right? So MNO. So the next letter will be O. So anyway, this D option is eliminated. Now you have 3 options and you check, okay? So which letter is different in all the 3 options? So I could see, so we have 1, 2, 3. So ABC, the last letter is different. So plus 1, plus 2, the logic, I'm going according to the logic, plus 5, plus 6, plus 7. So L is 12, lunch at 12 p.m. and 12 plus 7 will be 19. 12 plus 7 will be 19. 19 is nothing but your S, right? So 19 is nothing but S. That means first letter will be O, last letter will be S. Which option? Option B. So if you want to save time in the exam, then you have to do the problems little differently. Now question number 2. So find the odd one out. 4386, 3264, 3774, 4869. So friend, basically if you try to analyze option A, 4386. Okay. Now, so these are the two digits I have taken. So 43, if you multiply by 2, then you will be getting the last 2 digit. 3264. If you multiply by 2, then you will be getting the last 2 digit 64. Then 3774. So if you multiply this by 2, 37 into 2 will be what? 74, last 2 digit. Then 4869. If you multiply by 2, you should be getting 96, but here it is 69. That means this option D is the odd one out, and that will become your correct answer. Okay. Now, friends, so I would like to tell you, so here we have discussed only 7 to 8 question, but in Accenture crash course where 10 free mock test is given, we have added 5th of September cognitive questions, 5th of September coding questions, and we are also going to add the pseudocode question, right? So almost like 50 plus question from the Accenture 5th of September 2023 questions you will be getting. So one more video you will be getting today at the end of the day. So you can see it's like more than 1 hour, and one again like 25 to 30 minutes videos of pseudocode will be added. Different shift is different pattern and different level of the coding. I mean the exam question. So friends, get this crash course. This is very, very useful. And along with that, you will be getting 10 free mock test series, which will help you to get a real feel of this Accenture examination. And the price is just 499 rupees. You can read in 1 day also, right? So if you'll start now, reasoning will take hardly like 3 to 4 hours, verbalizability 1 hour, coding questions, pseudocode. So everything you can cover in around say 5 to 6 hours, and definitely you will be doing wonder in your examination. The price is just 499. Link is in description. Don't miss. Which one of the following is cloud platform by Amazon? So friends, that is nothing but AWS, where you can host all your data. So Amazon Web Services is one of the most successful cloud-based business which offers infrastructure as a service, right? So IaaS, okay? Now, and let your rent virtual computers on its own infrastructure. Like friends, suppose we are selling these videos, right? So all this content, right, you can put on Amazon Web Services and you will be able to play from there, right? Okay. Now, so this is how this cloud platform is AWS. We can detect a spelling and grammar error by. So friends, if you want to detect a spelling and grammar error, you can use press F7. So the F7 key is commonly used to check spell check and grammar, to check a document in Microsoft programs such as Excel, Word, Microsoft Outlook, and other Office products. So any Office product of Microsoft, if you press F7, you will be able to detect a spelling and grammatical mistake. Okay. So in a certain code language, friends, see, 4 to 5 questions will be asked from coding and decoding itself, right? So in a certain code language, Destiny, okay, so Destiny is coded as WBHGRMB. Then how math will be coded as? Okay, now, friends, as you know, as soon as I see the question, okay, so what I feel Destiny, so it's Y here. I'm sorry. Okay, now, so what I feel is, right? So this is nothing but opposite letter. See, Indian Railway, I have taught you, right? Boy, man, MAN. Okay, Grand Tank Road, high school, electric vehicle, Mountain Dew. So all these things I have taught you in the Accenture crash course in that coding and decoding. So here also we need the opposite letter. So M opposite letter will be N, man, right? So man. So M opposite will be N. So this is the opposite letter. So when we write the alphabet A to M and then N to Z, right? So this will be the opposite letter basically. Okay. And high school T. So T is nothing but G and A is nothing but A to Z. So NZGS, option A will be the correct answer. Simple problem. So in a certain code language, tiger is coded as QDFHS. Then how fish will be coded as? Now if we try to analyze here, so Q plus 1 is R, S plus 1 is T. So G plus 1 will be H and E plus 1 will be F, starting with E and ending with G and ending with E. So GE we have options, 2 and 4, right? EF, GH, ST, QR. Then if you see DEHI, so again RS and here ABCDEFGH, so H, GRHE. Option 2 will become the correct answer for the particular problem. TCP IP model was developed dash the OSI model. So friends, TCP IP model was first existing model, right? And it was developed prior to the OSI model, right? So it was developed prior to the OSI model. There were many questions which was asked from the OSI model. So if if you check the 5th of September, the question which we have done, right? So there are many questions which was asked. So we have covered all this 5th of September question paper, which will be there in the video. Now find the missing number. So this is a number series problem. 71, we have covered this, right? And then 868, and then 4345, and then 26076. Now, friend, this kind of question generally student gets stuck because they will not be able to think what is happening. But friends, here if we'll try to realize, so 8 into 5 will be what? 40, right? 4 into 6 will be what? 24. So let us try to analyze 868 into 5 will be what? So 868 into 5, if you'll see, 5 8 are 40 and 5 6 are 30 plus 4, 34 and 4340. So basically multiplied by 5 and added by 5, 4345. Okay. See, by seeing the question, because I had already taught you, if the numbers are becoming bigger and bigger, that means something is getting multiplied. 71 became some number, I mean some 200 or 300, 300 became 800, 800 became 4000, 4000 became 26,000. That means something is getting multiplied. Then 6 5s are 30 and 24 plus 3 will be 27 and 0 2 and 2 6. So 26076, yes, correct. So here basically it will be 71 into 3 plus 3, and then whatever number comes, so 3 1 are 3, okay, plus 3 216, and then whatever number comes multiply by 4 and then add 4. So 864 plus 4 will be 868, correct. So here basically 216 will come. Option 4 will be the correct answer. Now this kind of questions are more asked in the exam. A is taller than F, who is shorter than 3%. So this F is shorter than 3%. So 1, 2 and 3. F is shorter than 3%. So this is my first this thing, right? So A is taller than F, who is shorter than F. So who means F, who is shorter than 3%. C is shorter than D. C is shorter than D. D, who is the tallest? So D is the tallest. B is taller than E, and then C is neither shorter than F. That means C is taller than F, not taller than A. That means A is taller than C. Okay, fine. Who is the second shortest person among the given? Okay, now, so this we will try to arrange it. The final arrangement we will do. So D is the tallest. Okay, I'm sorry. So I will, D is the tallest, which has been already mentioned. I'm combining all, and yeah, okay. And then, so because F has to be here, right? Because they have clearly told F is shorter than 3%. That means 1, 2, 3. And then how many are there? So A, B, C, D, E, F. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then total 6. And then total 6 member we have. Fine, no problem. Then what they're telling, so A is greater than F, right? So A will come here. Okay, so A is greater than C, this you see. So A is greater than C and A is greater than F also. And then they're telling B is greater than E. So this is the correct arrangement. Now, so who is the second shortest person among the given? So when we arranged, then B is becoming the second shortest person. So option B will be the correct answer, right? Okay, now, so friends, if you have exam and if you wanted to solve the recent question of 5th of September, that means the studies question, get this. This will be very, very useful, and it's not only for Accenture. For other examination also, it will be very, very useful. Okay, so we will be also try to add 6th of September question. Okay, so that also you might get it by today or maybe by tomorrow morning. So get it today. The link is in description, and this is a sufficient course for cracking Accenture examination. Thank you. Take care and all the very, very best.